Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I'm opening a package from Isaac Finnbogason. Now, if you don't know who that is, I will post a link to his channel. I suggest you go check it out. He does a lot of drone flying in Iceland, particularly during the eruptions of the Icelandic volcanoes. And he also does some other streaming. He has a remotely operated vehicle, which is basically a drone submarine, and he's taken that in a couple of areas, and it's really pretty interesting stuff to watch. Anyway, I've been a member of his channel for some time now. I've been watching the channel for at least 5 years, and he sent me an email in response to an email that I sent him about a video that I made using some of his content. And sadly, I didn't see that email for at least a month. But basically, he was sending me a Christmas gift in thanks for being such a long-term member. And so this is the package. Now, this was originally scheduled to arrive yesterday afternoon, and then the tracking slipped to 8 p.m. last night, and basically around 8:30 I gave up and shut off the outside light, and when I went to bed I was thinking I was getting it today. But oh no, the FedEx driver basically dropped it off outside the front door at 8:50 p.m. and didn't knock, didn't ring the doorbell, basically just a drop and dash, and that really made no points for them on their review. 1 star FedEx. Anyway, it's not something that will be ruined by rain, and it's not something that's perishable. So let's get past that and get on with it. So I was very surprised that he was sending me this. I'm very grateful. Thank you, Isaac. Let's see how this is packaged. Ah, I get it. Well, this will be fun. Oh boy. Let's see. Alright, there's a paper in here with some little confirmation of contents and little stickies for the bottom of these. What is it, you ask? Well, he makes these wonderful items that are basically slabs of slate with pictures of things that he's taken with his drone. And the value of these is not insubstantial. This is a 3-piece set. You can buy them individually, but you can also buy the 3-piece set, and value is $129 US. Now, these are made here in the United States, and they are shipped from the United States. Well, that's not coming out without being cut. So let's get a little slicey. Let's start with the small ones. Whoa! So let's avoid that. Now these small items are coasters. And basically they are scenes that he took during the drone flights. This one is of some moss. And it's an advancing lava flow which is burning said moss. And this one is just of an aerial of the lava flow that's cracked. These are pretty cool. So again, these are printed, the pictures are glued to the slate. And then it looks like they are laminated. My condolences to the lambs. And this is just something that you can put on the included stand. And this is a very beautiful scene of a lava fountain. Now I forget exactly which eruption this was, but look at that. Nice thick piece of slate. Gorgeous. So thank you once again, Isaac. This was very out of the blue. And I'll have to find a place to put these. Right now I'm not sure where they're going to go. Very nice. So, what do you think? Would you pay $130 for these? I had to pay the shipping, and that was only $10, so that's not bad. Thanks again, Isaac, and I'll see everyone next time.